Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So we'll be solving a very common issue. Wi-Fi can't connect to this network, or our Wi-Fi has been missing on our Windows 11, 10 or any version of Windows. So let's go ahead to solve this issue. So if you're new here to this channel, like and subscribe. Let's get this issue solved for you. So go ahead to this place to check if our Wi-Fi is here and it is missing. So you can also check from your settings to see where our Wi-Fi is and it's also missing. So if this is your issue, missing Wi-Fi, we are getting this solved for you and this fixed for you now. So let's go ahead and start with the issue. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to search for my service. So first step is open and search for service. So right here in my service, try to locate, just click on W and scroll down to locate Wi-Fi auto config. So you can see WLAN auto config is running. So make sure this is running. If it's not running, double tap on it and click on start. So right here is running, as you can see, state is running, and make sure it is running. So the next step to do is to go ahead here and click on our Windows icon and search for device manager. So device manager is what we'll be looking for right here. I'm going to open this. I'm going to open it and I'm going to also expand this here. So here we have to look for network adapters. So network adapters. So if you can't find our network adapters, click on file, click on action rather, click on any part of this, like for example here, you can also click on here or whatever. So click on this, then click on one part and click on action and click for scan for hardware changes. So let's check here. So if this doesn't still show network adapters and this Intel Wi-Fi whatever doesn't show, this is my Wi-Fi adapter here on my system. So if it doesn't show, do that or click on view and click on show hidden devices. So if these two steps doesn't work, then I'm going to teach you what next to do. So go ahead to double tap on this and look at this. So you can say this device is disabled. So this is the issue about my Wi-Fi here. It is disabled. I'm going to go to my driver. I'm going to try to enable the device. So I've gotten my device enabled. As you can see here, my Wi-Fi is working automatically here and it's connected. So some people might not get this solved at this stage. So let's just go ahead. So if that is not your issue, watch this video more. So what we need to do is to click on update driver here and click on search automatic. So you can pick any of the option here to search automatically for driver. So you can search for it and you can see the best driver is also installed from your device and stuff. So if this is not what you want, you can try to search for it on Windows Update. So make sure everything on your Windows Update is updated by going to here, click on your settings, and click on your Windows Update at the lower bottom of the left hand side. So this is it. Just go ahead and click on it. So once you get your updates, make sure you update your PC and restart it. It should work. So if that's not issue, let's go ahead next with next thing to do. So we have to click on browse my computer for drivers. Go ahead to this. Let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer, and you can pick any of these ones here. So this is one. What you just have to do is to double tap on this and just click on installing the driver. So pick any one, or you can switch driver. So it's a Windows successfully updated your driver. Click on close and restart your PC. So if this doesn't still get your issue solved and your Wi-Fi is not working, just go ahead to close this section. Let's go ahead to the third step. So what you have to do is to open your Chrome and we have to get from the official version of your PC, the official software from your PC, and let's get the drivers from there. So for example, I'm using an HP PC. I'm going to search for HP Wi-Fi driver for Windows 11. So I'm going to search for it like this. So once you click on the go button, you are going to open the also. I'm using an HP system. This is what I'm going to be searching for. I'm going to open the first official page here. I'm going to go to HP official page to download my Wi-Fi driver if this doesn't work. And for those people like, oh, I don't have my Wi-Fi installed, how do I access the internet? You can try what they call an Ethernet. So there's an Ethernet, just plug in an Ethernet and it should get you connected. So let's continue next. And so you can go ahead like let HP detect your product, or whatsoever, or you can go ahead to search for everything by yourself. So I want to do, I can just click here, let HP detect your products. So it's going to detect what device I'm using, and you can wait for this to load. And waste time, just go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel here. And I'm going to get HP detect my product, so I don't need to stress myself to give much details they want. So you can see HP has started identifying my device. So let's just wait a bit as we get it detected. So 100% complete, and you can see it knows my, and you can see it here. So this is it. So you can go ahead to select this product. So if you're not using HP or whatsoever, if you're using a Lenovo device, you can go ahead to do the same thing there, and you go ahead to download it. So I'm just showing us how to download the driver here. So they said you should identify the and select the OS. So the operating system here is Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, click on Windows 10. I'm going to select our operating system version, and I'm using 25H2 because that is the latest update I've done. So make sure you check it. How do you check for this? Just go ahead to here, your settings, here, and under your settings, you go to your system. And go to your about section, so you can see it right here, 25H. That's the version here, 25H2. So that's how I got mine. So don't forget that 25H2, 64 bits. I'm going to click on submit, and it's actually going to bring out a list of all the drivers I actually need. So what you just have to do here is to check them one by one. So all software and drivers, I'll just go down to click on driver network. You can see driver network. So here you can download everything you need. You can see the Intel WLAN driver, where to download that. Or if what I actually need here is a driver for the Wi-Fi. So let me just go ahead to search for this here Wi-Fi driver. So I can't find right here because mine's already installed. Or you can locate your WLAN driver. Then so locate your WLAN driver, and once you download it, you're going to find your download. So go ahead to run and install it. So that should get your issue solved. If that doesn't work, drop your answer in the comment section, and tell me what error code did you receive. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to people who actually need this video having or facing this issue. Thank you.